my 10th week of options trading on Webull mobile platform. Netflix paper put for the win. Based on the chart and alert from 1348, Netflix was going down. I bought 4 put contracts of Netflix at the strike price of $220. My average cost for each contract was $4.90 or $490. Instead of selling all my contracts at once, I set a limit at $590 to sell the first 2. I made $200 or 20.4% from this. For my final 2, I set my limit price to be $750. Eventually, Webull sold my final 2 contracts of Netflix for $750 each or $1,500 total. I made $520 or 53%. In total, what I made from Netflix was $720 or 73.46%. This was a great start in my paper trading day. Visa was making a comeback, then this happened. I bought a put on Visa yesterday at the strike price of $197.50. This cost me $832 for 4 contracts, and my average cost was $208 per contract. Visa price was going up, therefore I kept it overnight to see that it was going back down again. This morning I was close to breaking even or turning a profit. A bit later, Visa fled me in the profit-taking zone as it went back up. Eventually, I sold Visa at market price for $107 each, losing $408 or 51.44% from this deal. I should have sold Visa when I was close to breaking even. Luckily, it is only paper trading. I had no patience with Johnson & Johnson. Based on the chart, it looks like Johnson & Johnson was gonna skyrocket. I bought 4 call contracts at the strike price of $165 and initially set my limit price at 0.49. This is low in paper trading. Later I modified my limit price to be 0.7 and soon I got 4 contracts of Johnson & Johnson at the average price of 0.65 or $65 each. This cost me a total of $260. Tip: set your limit price to be higher in paper trading. Otherwise modify your limit price to quickly get your contracts in paper trading. I didn't have the patience to wait because I was burnt earlier by Visa, so I sold these at the market price of $54, losing $44 or 16.93% from this deal. Thank goodness it is only paper trading. Snap was blasting off. Based on the chart and indicators, it looked as if Snap was gonna explode up. I bought a call contract to get my foot back in the game. My strike price was $12, in which I paid $34 being in the money. I tried other methods of selling my 1 contract of Snap. What worked best for me is still take profit stop loss. I modified my stop limit to be 0.52. Eventually Webull sold my 1 contract of Snap for $52. I made a quick $18 or 52.94% from this deal. What a great brand new start! Hitting my stride with a call on Zoom. Zoom was taking off and it felt good with a quick win earlier from Snap. It gave me confidence in Mojo as I bought 2 contracts of Zoom at my limit price of $110. Initially, I was gonna sell 1 contract of Zoom or ticker symbol ZM but cancel out on this order altogether. I decided to set a limit price of $1.30. Essentially, Webull sold my 2 contracts of Zoom for $130 each or $260 total. I made $40 or 18.18% from this deal. I was happy for another victory. Unexpectedly I hit a grand slam with SPY. I was tracking the SPY around the 400 area. Once the SPY maxed out at 400 and started to dip, that was when I bought a put at the strike price of $399. This 1 contract cost me $189. I was brave and confident to buy this put contract because my earlier ones of Snap and Zoom. SPY was going down so fast that I set up my take profit stop loss zone. I kept on modifying my stop loss order. Eventually, Webull sold my 1 contract of SPY once it touched my limit price of $4 or $400. I made $211 or 111% from this deal. My net total for today was $266.54 or I am up 128%. Great day of trading as tomorrow is my birthday. T-Mobile, are you there? From the chart and indicators, ticker symbol TMUS or T-Mobile had a good upward trajectory, so I bought 2 call contracts at $28 each or $56 total. Shortly after I bought call contracts for T-Mobile, it started to go down. I also got a SPY put, so I thought T-Mobile was a part of the downturn. I liquidated these 2 contracts because they continue to fall. I sold them for $7 each, losing a total of $42 or 75% from this deal. Later, I found out that T-Mobile made a comeback above the strike price of $146. I should have held T-Mobile for a little longer. I didn't stick around for Bank of America. From the charts and indicators, it looks as Bank of America or ticker symbol BAC was trending down. I bought 4 put contracts at the strike price of $34.50. This cost me $4 each or $16 total. I bought other option contracts as well and didn't stick around for BAC for too long. BAC didn't offer a lot of movement, so I sold them at $5 each. I quickly made $4 or 25% from this deal. It was my birthday and a lot of great deals on option on Friday because it is cheaper. Got burned playing with SPY and Apple. Based on the chart, it looks like SPY was going back down. I bought 2 put contracts at the strike price of $405. I set my limit price of $115 and my average price was $112 each or $224 total. Later, I added 2 more SPY contracts at my limit price of $90. My new average was $101. Looking back, I should have sold all 4 contracts of SPY, but I sold 2 at $130 each or $260 total. Furthermore, I bought Apple puts at the strike price of $155. I added a total of 10 contracts for Apple and my average price was $12. I realized that I made a mistake by keeping these contracts for too long. Eventually, SPY and Apple went back up above my strike price. Hence, I got burned by SPY and Apple on my birthday. My cash balance with tips and tricks. My current cash balance is $187.70. I started this week with $207.74. I lost $20.04. I didn't do too well with paper trading either, as I lost $1,339. Here are some tips from what I learned this week. Tip number 1: when you see profits, take profits. I have this problem of waiting too long on SPY or Apple to come back. There are times in the beginning when I could make money off of them. It's better to make a little money than to lose a lot. Tip number 2: be fast with Apple or SPY. Apple or SPY can change the direction quick, so be reactive. Those are my tips this week, as I have to learn how to set up the stop loss or stop limit. Be smart, trade with the chart, this will grow a big heart, that'll allows you giving to the world to start.